Hello everyone. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you and your family member. I wish to God to give you health, you prosperity and good things in your life. So today I want to share a difference between no trade zone versus your trade zone. You should understand what is the no trade zone and what is your trade zone. So, through this chart, I will try to explain each and everything in front of you. I hope you will get a knowledge from this video and start on your professional way on your trading career. So, this is the chart of Infi, and this is the chart for 31st December 2020. I forget the total process in three areas. Number first, no trade zone. Number second, your trade zone. Number third, not your trade zone. So what is the difference between on these three area? Actually, no trade zone. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. No trade zone, which is highlighted with the yellow color. This area is for noise traders. Generally, they do R&D on this area because this is not for me, this is not for you, this is not for professional trader. There is no moment or there is no opportunity to enter in the stock as per our trading plan. So we will not enter on this area. We will enter on the area which as per our strategy or as per our plan. So you can see that this is the assumption entry of big investor. This is the bullish tail bar, and this is the assumption that of the big investor enter on the stock on this level. But the second one is bullish elephant bar. This is the confirmation that big investor entered in the stock on this point. So, as per our strategy, as per our plan, when bullish elephant bar at or on 20-day simple moving average, then and the second candle cross the top of the first candle, then we will make the entry. So you can see that this is the bullish elephant bar. This is the 20-day simple moving average. So it crossed the 20-day simple moving average on the upside, and second candle also move on the upside. So when it crossed the top of this level, then we will make a buy entry. So we have to make a buy entry on this level. We have to add the stop loss under this elephant bar because this was the logic to enter in the stock, and then wait patiently, watch continue price movement, price action, and when you feel on this level, you can see that stock reach on this resistance pivot resistance level, and on this point stock is feeling weakness. So as per our exit rule, we have to exit from the stock when stock feel weakness at any important resistance level. So we have to exit from the stock on this area. This is your trade. Means you entered as per your strategy, you exit as per your strategy. And you can see that after two bearish candles, stock move on upside. This is not your trade. Your trade from this point to this point only. Always be disciplined. This is the trade for greed person. You are not a greed person. You are a professional in trading career, in trading profession. So be professional, play a role of professional. Don't be greedy because this greed will very harmful for you. If you grade on this area, then stock reach on this point, then again you will grade that stock move on upside, then stock move on downside. So you have to always with your strategy, with your plan, without if and but, you have to exit on this point without second thought. So number one, don't play just like a noise traders. Number second, don't be greedy in the stock market. Make your strategy, make your plan, do back testing of your strategy, and patiently on discipline way follow your strategy. This is the rule of to get the success in the stock market. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time. And if you like, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel, or share this video to your friend also. Thank you guys.